capture this moment here. Sidewalk is closed here. Sidewalk is closed here. I like to capture these moments in time. Get an idea of what we're seeing here. Oh, they doing the bus shuttles probably. That is wow. That, my people, is wild. That's wild. Anyway, this is where I started with my video. If you didn't see my Bushnell Park video, it should be somewhere around here. Go look for it. It's right around the corner. In the meantime, I will holler at you guys later. That's it. What's up with the screen door? Real quick, interesting. Anyway, I am out of here. Alright, gonna take y'all down a little bit. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. How you doing? I'm good. Yourself, have a good one. Miss Gooseby. You are in front of the one of the most public places in the City of Hartford, so you shouldn't have a problem. Here's the artwork. I had a lot of footage here lately. A lot of footage. There's the down over here. Just sitting there chilling like villains. Right now, so walk. That's the public library right there. Have a good day. Thank you. Frenchie's Oasis. Anyway, just give y'all 5 quick minutes. And I will holler at you guys Later.